Okay, we have a funny one here, which I read that the probability that ADC and APC winning election in 2027 is estimated to be 2 over 3 and 3 over 4 respectively. That is Nigeria election. What is the probability that ADC and APC wins the election? B, one of them win the election. And then the last one is neither of them winning the election. We are picturing Nigeria in a civilized democratic nation which use the principle of probability in order to project the winner. So in this case, let's dive into practical mathematics. So here, we will first of all recall that probability of success plus the probability of failure is equals to 1. So as a result of that, ADC winning the election has already been given to us here. The estimate has been given. So ADC failing, it will be Q equals to 1 minus P, which is the same thing as, this is the same thing as, we have the first one, 1 minus 2 over 3, which will give us 1 over 3. The same thing of APC. The probability of APC failing to win election in 2027 will be equals to 1 minus P, which is the same thing as 1 minus 3 over 4, which is the same thing as 1 over 4. So now the probability of ADC winning the election is 2 over 3. APC winning the election is 3 over 4. The probability of ADC losing the election is 1 over 3. That of APC is 1 over 4. So with this one, we can be able to calculate the first question. So the first question A is say the probability of both of them wins the election. So this will give us the same thing as the probability of this ADC winning and this one winning is this. So the answer will be 2 over 3 times 3 over 4. So by implication, this will give us the same thing as this will cancel this one, 1, this is 2. So this is 1 all over 2. So it's half. In the principle of probability is a 50-50, which is accurate in the principle of mathematics. So it means that the two of them have equal chance to win without any bias. So now B says that one of them wins the election. So if it is one of them winning the election, so the probability that ADC will win is automatically the probability that APC will not win. So let's calculate that one, the chances. So probability of 1 wins is equal to, we will have first of all ADC win multiply and APC losing, or this would also be probability of ADC lose and APC win. So let's take it to the other side. So by implication, this will be equals to ADC win is here, which is 2 over 3, and in probability means multiplication, APC lose is 1 over 4, so this will be 1 over 4 in bracket, or in mathematics stands for addition, so it will be plus open bracket. We have ADC lose is 1 over 3, so this will be 1 over 3 multiplied by APC win is 3 over 4, close the bracket. So this will give us the same thing as, you see, 2 here will give us definitely 2. So this time this will give us 1 all over 6 plus the same thing happens here. This will cancel this one. Or let me do it this way. This time this will give us 2 over 12 plus the same thing 3 over 12. So by implication, this will give us 2 plus 3 all over 12, and our answer is 5 over 12. So the chances of one of them winning the election is 5 over 12. Remember, I said this is in a situation whereby the principle of democracy is applied. So here, let's take the last one, the C part of it. The C part of it said that neither of them, because you know we still have other political parties in Nigeria. So let's see which one. Probability of neither APC, ADC, or APC. So this definitely means that all of them will fail. And then the probability of both of them failing is 1/3 multiplied by 1/4, which is the same thing as 1/12. So the chances of both the two of them winning, which is a simple simple probability function. In a simple probability function, the chances is 50-50, which is this one, 1/2. But in terms of one of them winning, there is a high chances here, which is 5/12. When you get the fraction there, you can be able to interpret it within the ratio of correlation and correlation. When you do correlation analysis, you can be able to know whether the estimate is a little bit positive, moderate, or negative. Then the final one, that neither of them is what? Is 1/12. Mathematics can explain everything. It doesn't end only on X. It's a basis of critical thinking. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.